In Science 1, there are 10 chapters. 25% portion has been reduced from these 10 chapters. From the first chapter, page number 1, use of ICT. This part has been reduced. Next page, page number 2, Introduction to the Scientist is cancelled. Try this, the entire try this has been cancelled. Page number 3, nothing has been reduced. Page number 4, Introduction to the Scientist, this part is omitted. Page number 5, Uniform motion, magnitude of centripetal force. This part has been removed. Use of ICT is also removed. From page number 6, use of your brain power, you don't have to do. From page number 7, the pink box here, collect information till exhibition, the entire thing is omitted. From page number 8, nothing has been removed. From page number 9, mass and weight, the entire topic is omitted. From page number 10, do you know? This you don't have to do. From page number 11, do you know? Is removed. From page number 12, nothing has been removed. Page number 13 also, nothing has been removed. From page number 14, do you know? Is cancelled. Next chapter, that is periodic classification of element. Can you recall this? Then classification of element, the entire classification has been reduced. Then down here, from this table, second point and the third point, this has been omitted. You have to do the first point but. Next page, that is page number 70, table 2.2, this is removed and do you know is also removed. Next, page number 18, introduction to the scientist is omitted. From page number 19, think about it on the top, this you don't have to do. From page number 20, nothing has been removed. From page number 21, use of your brain power, this box. Then from page number 22, can you tell? All the 4 points from can you tell. From page 22 only, do you know? Then come to the next page, that is page number 23. इसमें से you can see can you tell here. So this you have to cancel. Then from page number 24, think about it till third point. You have to do fourth and fifth point. So first, second and third point has been omitted. Next, page number 25, nothing is cancelled. Page number 26 also, nothing is cancelled. From page number 27, internet is my friend, that is removed, and read the following is removed. Then from page number 28, do you know on the top, the entire box is omitted. Next page is page number 30, third chapter, chemical reactions and equation. इसमें top पे can you recall, all the points have been removed. केमिकल रिएक्शन का जो पैराग्राफ है ये भी नहीं करना है. उसके बाद में you can see table 3.1 here, this also you don't have to do. Come to page 31, find out, this also is omitted. Then come to page number 33, try this, the entire experiment, do you know and find out. पेज नंबर 34 से कुछ ओमिट नहीं है. पेज नंबर 35 पे यू कैन सी यूज योर ब्रेन पावर, दिस हैज बीन रिमूव्ड. पेज नंबर 36 से यूज योर ब्रेन पावर एंड ट्राई दिस. फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 37, कैन यू रिकॉल. Page number 38, nothing is omitted. Page number 39, on the top, try this, the entire experiment. Use your brain power and can you tell? From page number 40, nothing is removed. Come to page number 41 now. The pink box which is there, do you know? The entire box. Page 42, do you know? And use your brain power. Then come to next page, that is page number 43. इसमें do you know जो है ये removed है. Next page number 44, find out which is there at the end. This you have to cancel. Next chapter, that is effect of electric current. On the top, can you recall? Cancel that. Then the first paragraph which is given, that also you have to cancel. Observe and discuss जो दिया हुआ है वो भी cancel करना है. Page number 48 पर think about it, that you have to remove. Page number 49 पर always remember this blue box is there, ये cancel करना है और find out cancel करना है. Page number 50 पे pink box, that is do you know, cancel that. And solved example which is given on page number 50, first example that is also removed and second example is also cancelled. Then come to page 52, introduction to the scientist, and page 52 only, always remember. Next page number 54 and 55, nothing has been removed. From page 56 also nothing is removed. Come to page number 57 now. Galvanometer which is given, that paragraph you have to remove. From page number 58, नीचे introduction to the scientist is given, that is omitted. From page number 59, AC and DC current, the entire topic is omitted. Next, page number 60, what will be required to make a DC generator? This also is cancelled. Next chapter, that is fifth chapter, heat. इसमें से जो try this है on page number 62, that is omitted. Next page number 64, 65 से कुछ omit नहीं है. Page number 66 also nothing is omitted. Come to page number 67 now. Down you can see introduction to the scientist, that is omitted. Then from page 68, 69, ICT on page number 69, that is omitted. From page number 70, third example which is there, the entire third example is omitted, which is continued on page number 37 also. Next chapter, that is refraction of light. Activity, the second activity which is given and the third activity which is given. You don't have to do second and third activity, you can do the first activity. Next page 75, you can see the table here on the top. उसमें से जो third column है वहां से लेके third, fourth and fifth, sixth column, all these columns have been removed. 76 page number, on the top local atmospheric से लेके refraction तक, cancel that. Then come to page number 77, use of your brain, that is also removed. 78, 79 में से कुछ भी remove नहीं है. Next chapter, that is lenses. Come to page number 80. 80 में से भी कुछ remove नहीं है. 81 से भी कुछ remove नहीं है. Come to page number 82. 82 पे you can see try this which is given, that you have to cancel. 83 से भी nothing is removed. 84 से भी nothing is removed. 85 also. Come to page number 87. Do you know which is given? That is cancelled. Then 88, 89 से भी कुछ remove नहीं है. Come to page number 90 now. Telescope which is given here. Down, third point. that you don't have to do, which is continued on page number 91 also. Next page, 93. Think about it, which is given on the top. वो कैंसिल करना है. फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मेटल कैंसिल करना है. फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ नॉन मेटल्स भी कैंसिल करना है. पेज नंबर 94. डू यू नो विच इज गिवन दैट यू हैव टू कैंसिल. पेज नंबर 95 से सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम से फोर्थ लाइन तक के दिस यू हैव टू कैंसिल. पेज नंबर 96. ट्राई दिस विच इज गिवन दैट इज omitted. Page number 98, try this which is given, that is also removed. Page number 101, internet as my friend, this you have to omit. 102, do you know, which is given on in the pink box, that also. 104 also, nothing is removed. Come to 105, collect information, this is cancelled. And do you know, which is given, that is also cancelled. Next page 106, nothing is removed. 107 also, nothing is removed. Come to page number 108, do you know, that you cancel. Next chapter, carbon compounds. On the top, can you recall is given, cancel that. Can you tell is given, cancel that also. Come to next page, that is 112, do you know, that you have to cancel. Then come to page number 116, do you know, which is given, that you have to cancel. 118 and 119 also, nothing is removed. To 120, 21 से भी कुछ remove नहीं है. 22 and 23 से भी कुछ remove नहीं है. Come to 124, here also nothing has been removed. 125 से भी कुछ remove नहीं है. 26 से भी नहीं है. Come directly to 127. Do you know which is given? That is cancelled. 128, science, alcohol, a fuel, that is cancelled. 131, macromolecules, the entire topic has been removed. 132 also पूरा page cancelled है till here, that is monomer, on page number 133. Till here everything is cancelled. That means 3 pages are cancelled from macromolecules till monomers. Next chapter, that is space mission. Do you know which is given? वो कैंसिल करना है. कैन यू रिकॉल कैंसिल करना है. कैन यू टेल कैंसिल करना है. यूज ऑफ ICT, दैट ऑल्सो यू हैव टू कैंसिल. पेज नंबर 139, फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल विच इज गिवन, कैंसिल दैट, एंड सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल ऑल्सो कैंसिल. 140, 141 में से कुछ भी नहीं है. 141 से डू यू नो दैट यू हैव टू रिमूव. नेक्स्ट पेज, दैट इज पेज नंबर 142. The information about the scientist, that entire box is cancelled. Then next page 143, introduction to the scientist, is omitted. This was all about science 1. So all these chapters have been reduced and a total there is 25% reduction.